So I'm working on this vintage HP computer right now, getting it ready to sell. And I ran into a weird issue where the network card would not connect to my network. I couldn't get an IP address. And it's resolved itself for now. But the issue is apparently this Realtek 8100 series network card has issues negotiating with modern networking equipment when it comes to link speed. So I'm going to close that. What I ended up having to do is I had to go into here and I had to go to the properties of the network card and then configure. And then from there, if you go to advanced and you can select link speed duplex mode, you can set it to force something like 100 megabit full duplex. And then it'll successfully negotiate connection through your switch to your router and to the internet and all that. Interestingly enough, it seems like once your router learns this device, you don't have to have that speed set manually, but if you're gonna put it on the network like that, you might just want to set that anyways. Seems like it's only a problem though for this particular chipset from what I could tell. But I don't know if that's helpful or not. But hopefully if it is, it'll solve your problem. But thanks for watching.